If your clients are still taking bookings through email or phone calls, they're losing customers. It's plain and simple. In this video, I'm taking a close look at the WordPress plugin that lets you add a fully working appointment scheduling system to any site in about 15 minutes. No coding, no complicated setup, and it works for pretty much any service business. That is coaches, salons, consultants, you name it. So let's dive right in.
Now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Here's a sample booking form I created and what it allows you to do. If you have multiple locations, you can add them. You can select the location. It displays relevant services. And as you see, you can also add rentals to your site. You can filter them by categories, select the service, select the date and time slot. You can activate deposits for these bookings. Next, fill the contact details, select your payment method, and what's also nice, you can also connect it to the WooCommerce payment gateways. So, select your payment gateway, submit. Next, you can add the appointment to your calendar. If you're an admin, then you'll see all the bookings in a nice way, and you can edit everything here. Great stuff. Now, the plugin I'm going to show you in this video is called Webba Booking, this one here. It has a free version, and as you see, currently it has more than 2,000 active installations and a whopping 146 5-star reviews. It also has a pro version, and in this video I'm going to use the pro version because I want to show you all the awesome features it has. Now, since I want this video to be short, I'm not going to go through all the settings and stuff it has. I'm going to just cover the most important ones. And one of the most important ones is, take a look at the settings. You'll see that you can configure every setting here. General settings, advanced booking rules, restrictions, durations, and so on. Availability and holidays. What is great that you can add your holidays when your service is not available. You can add them one by one and you can make them recurring. What is also great, you can create notifications, that is emails, and when you integrate your site with Twilio, then you can also send out SMS messages. Now you may ask why the SMS notifications are good for booking forms. Well, if you're using SMS for pre-booking reminders and post-booking updates, it will help you eliminate client no-shows. So it's a great feature. Under the payments, you can connect your site with PayPal, Stripe, and as I mentioned, you can also activate WooCommerce payment gateways, and you can select what is the action for page booking status, whether it's completed or not. And under the integrations, you can connect your calendar with a Google Calendar or Zoom in a couple of clicks. Great stuff. Next, under the locations, you can add your own locations. For example, if you offer your services in multiple cities, then just add them here. If you're using staff members, then adding a staff member is also easy. Just click on a Add Staff Member button, fill the fields, select the services, and done. If you want to create coupons for your booking form, then add a coupon, give it a coupon title. For example, this one will be available from here to here. For this service, usage limit is 10, discount percentage is 20%, save and exit, and there's my coupon. Pricing rules, later I'm going to show you what are these. At the moment I'm going to skip those. Under the email notifications, you can customize every notification that is sent out, whether it's booking is paid, updated by customer, whether it's cancelled by customer, and so on. To edit it, just open it up, customize the text and information displayed in it, save and done. Form Styler is also a nifty feature. What it allows you to do is it allows you to customize how does this form look like. As you see, you can change colors, fonts, border radiuses, and under the advanced appearance settings, you can also customize every other stuff here. Form Builder is a nifty feature. As you see, this is the default form user has to fill, but if you would like to create your own custom forms, then just add a form name, for example, consultation form, remove the fields you don't need. For example, maybe you don't need the phone field. You can also add your own custom field, and you can choose between these field types. As you see, you can even allow file uploads. Add your custom field, add further text, additional information. For example, I won't set any default value. I can set whether the field width is full width or half width. I'm gonna leave it as full width. Add the title for this field name, create form, and done. Later I'm gonna show you how to connect it to your services. Under the schedule, you'll see all the bookings in the calendar. Under the bookings, you'll see all the bookings that have been made. And under the services, you can create services. What is good, you can not only create hourly services and rentals, you can also create daily services and rentals. You can create categories and you can add extras. So let's start from the scratch. Let's add an extra, for example, GPS. You can set min-max items per booking. Now you can select the service which it will be attached to. For example, let's add it to the consultation. If there are daily services, you can also add them there. Under the pricing, you can add how much does it cost, maybe 10 euros. Save and exit. And now when I select the consultation, time slot, there's my extra I can add to my order. Here you can add service categories, nothing complicated, just add a category, select the service and done. Daily services, for example, maybe you would like to offer room rental. Add your image if needed, select location, maybe it's only in London. Here I can select whether the default form is used or the custom form I created earlier, that is consultation form. I'm gonna leave the default form activated. No extras, that is insurance, child seat or GPS will be added, but under the availability I can add how much room do I have. I have 8. Capacity is 4. It will count adults separately and it counts children separately. Infants are not counted. I'm not gonna add availability date ranges because it's available year round. If needed, add buffer days before and after. Minimum booking days is 2. I will not allow booking less than 2 days. Under the price, I will add that during the weekdays the price is 70 euros and during the holidays it's 90 euros. If needed, you can activate charging per person. I'm not going to do that. Under the payment method, I'm going to select bank transfer, PayPal, credit card. But if you select WooCommerce, then you should also select the product which will be added to the cart when WooCommerce payment gateway is selected. Under the integrations, you can select connected calendars. I haven't done it. I'm going to show you later how it's done. So let's apply, and my room rental service has been created. Great. Hourly service is basically the same. Service name, add a category, description. If needed, you can override main notification emails and add your own email address here. As before, you can select the booking form, whether it's default form or the custom one you created. Locations, extras, everything's the same. Under availability, you can add your own custom durations. If you would like to override global availability, then add your time slots here. For example, from this to this and 2 p.m. until 7 p.m. I'm going to apply it to all days. I'm not providing this service on Sundays and on Saturdays, only from Monday to Friday. Under the pricing, add your price, 60 euros. You can allow taking deposits, for example, 30%. Select the payment gateways as before, some other options, and now whether to apply pricing rules. Well, let's talk about the pricing rules now. If you go and take a look, you'll see Webba has a pricing rules. I have already created one just to show you what happens here. Title, priority, and now type. You can choose whether the price for day range, price for early booking, price based on custom field value, price for day or week, and time range, price based on the number of seats booked, or price based on number of time slots booked. These are the rules you can create. I created a rule that on Mondays from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and all other days, I'm gonna reduce the main amount by 20%. So if the default price is 250 euros, then for time slots between 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., it's 20% less. You can also set it to fixed price if needed. This way you can create all sorts of pricing rules, and when I'm here I can just select it and it will be applied. If I would like to use the WooCommerce payment gateway, I should also select the related product. Under the integrations, once again, you can connect calendars, enable Zoom meetings. You can create Zoom meetings and Google meetings by activating those and connecting those services beforehand. If you would like to enable recurring booking, you can do it here and set the rules. And under the settings, there is a calendar color. And this way you can create daily services and hourly services. Now, one last thing to cover. Let's go to the connected calendars, and I'm going to show you how to connect your calendar with the booking system. Since I don't use the Microsoft calendar, but I have a Google calendar, I'm going to select it, give the title, and now I'll choose a mode, whether it's two-way sync, one-way sync, only import, or one-way export only. I'm going to select one-way export, connect the calendar. It says it's not authorized. I should authorize it. Now I'm going to select my account, allow all, continue, and you'll see that the calendar connection has been authorized. Now when I go to the services and open up this one here, then under the integrations, I can select my Google Calendar from this drop-down, and all the bookings that will be made are synchronized to my Google Calendar. If you don't need it, then just revoke the connection and done. Now one more thing before I wrap up. I'll show you how to add calendars to your pages. So let's go to the pages. Let's open up a booking page. Let's search for a Webba booking form, this one here. When it's selected, you can select whether to display all services or only some of those. You can also select specific categories, locations, select whether to show category list in the form, customize the general appearance, buttons and sidebar for this specific form, and under the advanced you can add your additional CSS classes. Now when you save and take a look at the site, there's your booking system with everything we have here. Awesome stuff.
And that's Webba Booking. It's a solid option for anyone who needs a booking system on WordPress without the usual headaches. The free version covers the basics well, and if you need advanced pricing rules, payments, reminders, or calendar synchronization, the premium tier has you covered. I'll drop the plugin link below. Now, if you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. If you do that, then more WordPress tool reviews are coming. In the meantime, see you in the next video.